remember the days, all those years ago that never fade away. And I remember your face when you hit the ground. I can recall the time and place on a midnight walk through the old streets, trying to turn back the clock to the days of old, back to the days when all the things we knew were made of gold. As the world moves on, time sings a song. In the old neighborhood, as the clock strikes one, the memory lives just as it stood, like a quiet dream. The shadows of that time are cast beneath the streetlight beam. As the world moves on, time sings a song. Don't cry, don't cry. As the days move along, you can remember their song. I remember the days. Looking back, I can't see clearly how we had it made. And I remember every face. And when I think of them, it takes me to that time and place. As the world
There's all sorts of shit I want to do over there.
Right-hand drive converted.
That's dirty, don't film it.
That's sick. Yeah, that's wild. Dude, he's a beast. He got that thing in and out of there. Got a 240. It's looking mint.
I do it day in, day out, so.
No air conditioning.
Fuck no, just send it.
I'm over here spoiled in this thing. And I'm complaining. We spent like $4, or no, it's $47.21.
Yeah.
I think this side's like 70. Yep, $71. So I think we're at the raceway now. What does that say? Willow Bank Raceway. Yep, we're here. I'm recording on my phone. My GoPro likes to act up, and I'm tired of it. I met these guys at SEMA like 2018, Power Republic. Hopefully they're there when I come back. Come check them out. They're pretty cool. This track is huge. I think this is like either circle track or some type of a dirt bike. Maybe RC track. What's over here? Another go-kart track. Looks like dirt though. Might be racing those things in dirt. That's pretty cool. So we are here. This is what it is. There's all these cars out in the parking lot. Doesn't look like many. I don't know if it's like an inside area or something. But oh shoot. This is a got a wagon out there. Hey, that's the wagon from the meet. Got all the cool cars. So burnout car.
Is he compensating for his small
For what?
hecker?
Is that what it is, Holden?
Yeah, that's why I bought myself a big American Chev truck. All compensation.
Mate, I will bolt these
Compensation
on.
for what?
Small penis, obviously.
No. If that's how we're gonna play it, I'll go get a driver mount, bolt those on, and I'll pluck 4th gear coming out turn 6.
I think that's a big wing. Let's see, what is it? I don't even know what that thing is. Oh, that thing is moving. That's 15.
Sounds dope on this thing.
VE drift car?
Yeah, so they're on-track drift.
Is it fully caged?
I don't think so.
Good thing you don't play football.
Yeah, no. I'm not good at football. I'm good at driving cars.
It is hot. Having a rough time going in third. And I don't want to wreck it. Guy does not like third. See what we did. Yep, belt came right
How
off.
about belty? Okay.
Probably need a tool to put it back on, or it probably ate through it all.
Oh, hang on. Why are we covered in oil?
Because the power steering probably got hot. Yeah, pop the belt. Yeah, man, how you doing? How you doing?
Good, bro. Yourself?
Good. How about
Jose,
yourself?
isn't it? It's all on, brother.
What the fuck?
What?
Look at this shit on there.
Yeah, I know, that's what I was just looking at. It's like melted the
Yeah,
belt.
it ate it up right here.
Yeah, it's eating the belt. Just lay the belt back on it so we can put the new one on it.
Yeah.
Oh, we never got the new one, did we?
No, no, something spat out. Spat? Power steering fluid, I think.
Yeah,
I know.
it's hot.
Yeah, it overheated it.
My cooler ain't doing shit then, is it?
Hey?
So my power steering cooler ain't doing shit, is it?
Ooh, that thing is hot. Where'd it go?
Yeah.
Everything's gonna be going.
Oh, no, 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 no. Your balancer shot out.
Oh, bro. No, the balancer's come out.
Hey?
Look at the balancer.
Oh yeah, that'll do it. Is the bolt still on the end of it?
Tell them what it is, because
It's not much. It's a Aussie Barra, twin turbo,
and a supercharger.
and a supercharger.
Not much.
Yeah. The owner's chill as fuck.
Is he?
Yeah.
That's
He's
cool.
got like 8 spare motors. Our last power
8
cruise.
spare motors?
Yeah. He's like lives half an hour out from here. What's up, boys? Oh, that's Kirk in the passenger. Yeah, he doesn't live too far from it. Part of the dream.
Big turbo iron block.
Yeah.
6.0. 5.3.
I actually don't know. Shout out to Brad Fab. Brad Fab built the one. What's the rundown on the motor? Iron block.
He's putting the chassis in it.
Oh, bullshit, is it actually?
Yeah.
And he said you were coming out Sunday. And I'm like, yeah, right.
Yeah, I've been trying to meet up with... Got a hydro to a brake booster. That is wild.
It's a, I think it's an S13, but it's got the 34 shit on the front.
Not confusing.
Yeah, 13.4 or something like that. Yeah. And it's a U, yeah. As soon as you see this, you're like, yeah, damn.
She's loaded up for the day.
Yeah, go ahead.
We spun the balancer off.
Yes, you spun the.
Yeah, kept shifting into first.
Yeah, that's right. That's what happens when you get the feel for a car.
When you get what?
That's what happens when you're getting the feel for a car.
Shit happens. We've already organised the new belt. Just gonna be able to pick that up.
Got it.
And it's gonna have a watch.
We're down. Lambo.
We did say that we're more than willing to do a motor swap.
Yeah.
I don't think you understand.
Yeah, you guys are crazy. We're
I
not
don't
doing
think you
no motor
understand
swap.
that we don't get it.
What? Didn't need you.
Funny, you know.
You didn't fly halfway around the world just to sit here and watch because of a broken car.
Seem like every captain gotta maintain the cap. You can make change, don't change for that. Tell the whole truth, get paid for that. Bet you never fall off, you was made for that. You gotta be who you really be, shine from the inside.
She's a fair whack out.
Wild. What are we doing, Ryan?
Fixing it.
That sounded solid. Yeah. Say that again. What are you doing?
Put some Loctite on it and send the cunt home.
Send the cunt home?
Yeah.
Yeah. hella cool stuff over here. This is an R32. 4-door, I believe. Yep, 4-door. Got a Monaro down there. Cops behind him. You think they're gonna pull him over?
Yeah, I reckon. He's done.
What are we doing out here, Sam? Having sing-alongs?
Kings of Leon.
Come on, bro, you can't hide.
How are we? I am so awkward behind the camera, right?
You can see my room from here. My room's right there. Here with the boys? Yeah. Fucking guy. Look at him. He is wild.
As a dude with the camera.
Sam, where's he going?
He wants to go home.
He wants to go home.
Look at the chicken right now. The missus is not going to be happy with this. Big night out on the town.
Yeah, we're eating pizza. This guy, he didn't. Australia got the best of him. Shoot, dude, he got an oil change. Oh no, my boy is done, dude.
That's beautiful. He is.
Fuel and pissed, and an oil change, all in one. His boy's a trooper. His boy's a trooper. He's right there.
He is done, hey.
He's done.
Dude, they're feeding him the bottle, the bot. He is done.